Should you do any or all of the landscape yourself? This is completely contextual, and so we'll look at kind of the range of probability. So on the dark side of the probability, we have out-of-shape clients with inappropriate vehicles, damaging the vehicles, damaging their body, going in for surgery, and taking a break from high-paid work to do low-paid landscape work, relatively speaking. And they're losing income, increasing car costs and repairs, and then hospital bills. So that's kind of the worst case scenario. And then they don't know what they're doing, and so then it all has to be redone professionally once they've finished injuring themselves. So that's kind of the worst case scenario. And the best case scenario, you have people who enjoy work, who know how to pace themselves, who take the time and get a good consultant to advise on, how to do this and how to do that. Follow that advice, know how to, when to do tools. They enjoy keeping active and learning. They like the added bonus of saving some money. They pace themselves and either do this on the weekend or while they're unemployed or while they're on sabbatical, or they've got space to do it. And they have a great experience, and maybe they get an assistant to help with some things and hire a professional to do the things that are either more urgent than they could get to, because a crew, like if we come on with five people for a week, that's 250 hours. If you have 10 hours a week, that's going to take you a whole year to, get to the point where that project is done, and some things are more urgent. So in my experience, it is foolish to try and save on consulting. Do your own research, bring that into the consulting relationship, know your limits and know what you're able to do. But if some physical work would be good for you, for example, you want to go to the gym, and what better gym than to shovel 10 yards of bark and carry it up 200 steps into the back garden. I mean, you've got a useful dynamic relationship. So that's good, good for your health. And you can pace it at levels that you can do it, and why not save a little money along the way.